What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian, and I have another product review for you guys. Now, you know I'm big on searching for products that I feel the PWC community or boating community or just campers or anybody would find useful. As a PWC owner, one of the main things that I always look for is how portable and compact it is, plus easy to use. So today, what we have is the Neso tent. It looks a little beat up because it's been across the Exumas and we've tested it out in Puerto Rico and also another place. And when I test out products, I mean, I test it out. I don't just use it one time and just for this video purposes. No, I use it multiple times to make sure I'm recommending products that I feel you guys would benefit from. So I have my lovely niece, Alexis, here. She's gonna be assisting me on assembling this and showing you how to assemble it. All right, let's go.
The Neso 1 tent comes in a compact size bag that easily fits in your storage compartment or your luggage. And it only weighs 4 pounds.
All right, she's gonna remove it all out of the nice carrying bag that it comes with. It's a nice material. How would you describe this material? Does it feel durable?
Like bathing suits.
Okay, so it should be waterproof then and protect you. I think it's UV protectant on it, and plus if it rains. All right, so per the instructions, you want to put it pointing towards the wind, so we'll have it facing that way. Yeah, that's good. We got to spread it out. That. Now we fill up those sandbags. So you just put it down first and then you just throw a bunch of sand in it. While she does that one, I'm gonna do this one. Technically you only need one person to do this. You gotta fill it up. No, you gotta fill it, girl. Fill it. So the wind doesn't try to take it. That's what makes this really good, is that when you have an umbrella, you notice they fly off. Basically as projectiles, almost hitting people on the beach. So you wanna fill these up as much as you can and then seal them. And then later on, if it's really windy, you can use more support by throwing more sand, basically burying this in sand. All right, we got the other two done. Now we gotta fill these up with sand. Okay, give me a second. Girl, there's still not a lot of sand. Because once you, yeah, just keep on scooping it all in. Scoop it all in. See all this? You're gonna place the pole underneath 1 to 2 feet back. So let's put it right there. Yep, all side up. There you go. Now you wanna go on the other side. No, this side. It's up. That's how easy it is. So if it's very windy, you can make it at an angle. The feet to come at an angle. You see how the other one's straight, but you can make it this way for the wind. And there you go. Was that hard to put up? No. If it becomes very windy, you can bury these, put more sand on top, or dig a hole and put that in there. And that's it.
The Neso tent is very easy and quick to set up. They provide excellent shade even in windy conditions. The biggest plus for me was how compact it was, which allowed me to bring it to different places without taking a lot of storage space. Check out their website for different sizes and colors.
All right, so I'm gonna put the link down below for the Neso tents. And you guys, if you order it or talk to them, make sure you tell them Avian sent you.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
All right, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, see you guys on the water.